Lightspeed is the latest line of products from Evercoat that make filling repairs, eliminating pinholes, and priming faster than ever with the power of LED UV curing. This video will show you how to make the perfect repair from beginning to end, utilizing each of the products from Lightspeed. To begin your repair, be sure the vehicle is not in direct sunlight and to block any sunlight that may be shining on the vehicle's repair surface. Clean the panel with soap and water, followed by a wax and grease remover. Straighten the panel as needed. For heavier filling needs, remove the fractured paint with 80 to 120 grit as needed, followed by sanding with 180 to 220 grit. For lighter filling needs, use 180 to 220 grit sandpaper on the area. If the paint is fractured, continue sanding until the fractured paint is removed. If the paint is not damaged or cracked, repair surface by sanding with 180 to 220 grit. Feather edge the perimeter of the repair area with 180 to 220 grit and remove the sanding dust with clean compressed air. Properly catalyze Optex Lightspeed filler at a ratio of 50 to 1 or 2%. For a 4-inch or 10 centimeter puddle, apply a bead of Evercoat cream hardener from edge to edge. A 2-inch or 5 centimeter puddle will only require a 1-inch or 2.5 centimeter bead of Evercoat cream hardener. Mix Optex Lightspeed filler and cream hardener together until fully incorporated. Now it's time to fill. Apply Lightspeed Optex Premium Filler with even pressure in a thin coat over the clear coat feather edge. Apply additional material as needed. Now once the area is properly filled, it's time for a Lightspeed cure. Use the Evercoat UV LED light to illuminate repair for 3 to 4 minutes from 8 to 10 inches away. Always wear protective eyewear while operating the UV LED light. After the filler has cured, sand area with 180 to 220 grit sandpaper or finer and feather edge. Remove the sanding dust with clean compressed air and inspect for coarse sand scratches, pinholes, and imperfections. If an area requires an additional amount of Optex Lightspeed filler, reapply as needed and follow the Lightspeed cure procedure as previously shown. Once the repair area is complete, apply 440 Express Lightspeed Pinhole Eliminator to fill and repair any possible micro pinholes and surface porosity. Shake the bottle for 1 to 2 minutes and apply to the blue applicator sponge. Wipe 440 Express Lightspeed over the entire repair area. Continue to wipe until a light coat covers the repair area and all excess residue has been removed. When applied properly, the repair will still be visible through the light coating. Allow 30 to 60 seconds to purge. Use the Evercoat UV LED light to illuminate repair for 30 to 40 seconds from 8 to 10 inches away. After the 440 Express Lightspeed has been activated with the Evercoat Lightspeed UV LED light, it is ready for primer. Start by shaking or stirring the Lightspeed LED Cure High Build Primer thoroughly before use. Use a spray gun with 1.4 to 1.8 millimeter and apply 2 to 3 light to medium coats at 8 to 10 inches or 20 to 25 centimeters away from the repair. Allow 1 to 2 minutes flash time between coats. After the final coat, allow 5 minutes of purge time before activating with Evercoat UV LED light to illuminate LED high build for 5 to 6 minutes at 8 to 10 inches away. After being activated with the UV LED light, your repair area is ready for sand with 220 to 320 grit sandpaper or finer. Follow the coating manufacturer recommendations for final sanding before sealer or base coat. You've just completed a repair at Lightspeed. If you have any questions about Evercoat Lightspeed products, visit our website at evercoat.com for complete product information or to access our customer service. Thanks for using Evercoat.